Does the thought of cooking overwhelm you, stress you out? Does the idea of spending any time in the kitchen, besides eating, make you break out into a cold sweat? You're not alone. And I want to show you that cooking is not hard at all. Actually, it's pretty easy. Not to mention, it's gratifying. It can be very therapeutic. It's healthier than eating out and way less expensive. And it's fun. Hi, I'm Michelle, aka Shell, and I love food. I love thinking about it, I love cooking it, and I love eating it. I wasn't always passionate about cooking though. Actually, I rarely cooked at all. Until my daughter was born. That made me really question all of the ready-made foods available. How good are they for you? What's actually in them? Is my family getting the nutrition they need? The nutrition they deserve? That's when I started looking at cooking from a different perspective. So I began to introduce more home-cooked meals. I slowly added recipes to my repertoire, and now guess what? Cooking had actually become my passion. To me, nothing is more gratifying than watching people eat and enjoy good food. When my daughter was young, I got her involved in helping in the kitchen. She would climb up on the stool, roll up her sleeves, and help make her favorite dishes. Now, as an adult, she embraces cooking as much as I have. Getting kids involved in the kitchen at a young age will give them a lifelong appreciation of real food. From including them in what to make, then making it together, taste testing along the way, which of course is half the fun, and then enjoying the final dish together. This is the basis of a beautiful relationship with food. My goal is to get you as passionate about cooking as I am. I want you to discover that cooking is not at all intimidating. So, I'm going to share with you some of my favorite go-to recipes. They're easy, they have no crazy ingredients, they're quick to make, and the bonus, they're healthy. You know, it's been said that some people eat to live and others live to eat. Well, I am definitely one of those live to eat people. And so, for the love of food, join me and discover the pleasure of making and sharing delicious food with the people in your life.